The KKK want my kitty away. KKK ordered cats like you, 24 hours life curfew. I just don't know what to do. Don't let the KKK take my kitty away. I write letters where old cats, disabled, have special needs. Please let our loves live well too. Begging the KKK, don't take kitty away. Knox Council's Dirty Six crew make up charges knowing untrue. Criminal cats, no one knew. Don't let the KKK shut my kitty away. Tell next doors to report on you. Stop Tom dancing, no more soft shoe. All for loving pussy true, who never did wrong like you do. Poster wanted today, dead, alive, anyway. Please stop the KKK chasing kitty away. Trapped, made homeless, caged cat zoos. Council fans hate, batter and bruise. Share the sun, stop feline abuse. Arrest the KKK hurting kitty this way. They said, we don't want cats here like you. Wild, talk back, wandering Jew. Shooters clubs blooded, guns and booze. Hunt to death and captive few. Jack up law to kill kittens too. Run kitty, run fast, calling you. Drag out older darlings too. Help me please, turning code blue. Don't let the KKK take my kitty away. Please don't let the KKK take my kitty away.